Are you planning your dream house? Get all the inspiration you need right here.
Irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
If you are new to the channel, here you can find a lot of design ideas. Subscribe to join the design family.
His senses and time perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Have you ever hung a frame not in the right place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all. perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.